Jamaica is once again approaching a major decision point, the upcoming general election. Two leaders stand before the nation, Prime Minister Andrew Holness of the Jamaica Labour Party and opposition leader Mark Golding of the People's National Party. This video is not about taking sides or endorsing anyone. It's about laying out what each leader brings to the table. So, you the people can decide who you believe should lead Jamaica over the next 5 years. At the end, I'll be asking you to share your thoughts in the comment section, respectfully. Again, I say respectfully, no disrespect in the comment section. Just state what you think. Give your reasons. State why you think which of them should be leading the country going forward, so we can have a real discussion about Jamaica's future. Let's look at both men and then you can decide. Let's start with Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness has served as Jamaica's Prime Minister for several years, leading the country through both challenges and opportunities. During his time in office, he has focused on areas such as strengthening the economy, encouraging investments, improving infrastructure, and expanding housing opportunities. His government has also introduced initiatives aimed at improving education, expanding digital access, and creating opportunities for employment. Supporters often point to his leadership during times of crises, whether in the face of natural disasters, global health crises, or economic uncertainty, as evidence of steady and experienced governance. Critics, however, argue that some national challenges like crime and certain social issues have not improved fast enough under his leadership. For them, the question is whether continuing on the current path will produce the change Jamaica needs. Holness's vision for the future includes building on what his administration has already started, further modernizing Jamaica's infrastructure, attracting investments, and improving public services. On the other hand, let's look at Mark Golding. Mark Golding, the opposition leader and head of the People's National Party, offers a different vision for Jamaica's future. Since becoming leader of the PNP, Golding has emphasized transparency, social equity, and community-focused development. His protocols often include expanding social programs, improving access to quality education, and strengthening systems that protect vulnerable citizens. Supporters say he brings a fresh approach with ideas aimed at reducing inequality and ensuring that more Jamaicans benefit from national growth. His leadership style is often described as consultative, with an emphasis on building unity and trust. Critics, however, question whether his plans are realistic or if the country is ready for the changes he proposes. They also point to the need for clear strategies to fund and implement some of his bigger promises. Golding's vision looks forward towards reshaping governance, improving social protection, and creating what he describes as a fairer and more inclusive Jamaica. When comparing these two leaders, a few questions come to mind. Which leader has the clearer, more achievable plan for economic growth? Who can better address Jamaica's challenges with crime and security? Whose vision for education, healthcare, and jobs align most with your hope for the country? And finally, which leadership style do you believe will unite the nation and move it forward? Andrew Holness represents continuity, building on current policies and programs. Mark Golding represents change, offering a different approach and set of priorities. Both have their strength, both have their critics, and both are seeking your trust to guide Jamaica into the future. And now, the conversation is over to you, my viewers and subscribers. I have shared some general background on both leaders without taking any sides. So you can weigh the qualities, weigh the leadership style, and the vision for yourself. In the comment section below, tell us, each and every viewer, each and every subscriber, tell us in the comment section. I need all of you to comment. Who do you believe is the better leader to guide Jamaica over the next 5 years? Is it Andrew Holness of the Jamaica Labour Party? Or is it Mark Golding of the People's National Party? If you don't want to give any details, just type each leader name who you think you want to take this country forward. And most importantly, state why if you're not afraid to do so. Remember, this is a space for respectful dialogue. Let me say this again. This is my channel, and if you notice, there's no negativity on this channel. This is a space for respectful dialogue. So, whether you are in Jamaica, whether you're in the US, whether you're in Canada, the UK, or you are a part of the diaspora, anywhere in the world, your opinion matters. Thank you for watching and for being a part of the Just a Thought community. The choice we make in the next general election will shape our country's future. So, who do you think should lead Jamaica forward? State your comments. State in the comments your choice, and let's see who will lead the next government in Jamaica.